Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how I transfer a font to a cookie and how I keep my letters and numbers puffy. First, you want to find the font you want to use and print it out. I have a projector I use that I'll link below. You can still do this technique even if you don't have a projector. All you have to do is cut out the letters and trace them with an edible marker. You'll see that I'm not super exact when tracing the outline. I'm really just roughly sketching it on the cookie to have as a guideline. Make sure your ink doesn't go outside the edge of the font or your letters and numbers will be too close together. When I'm tracing a font, I always make sure to trace just barely on the inside. In order to make sure my icing stays puffy and holds its shape well, I use as thick of icing as I can get away with, which is similar to piping consistency, but maybe just a tiny bit thicker. With icing this consistency, I have to help it along with my scribe tool to smooth it out. If I left it as is, it wouldn't smooth out on its own and would stay like I piped it on the cookie. Using icing that's this consistency will also help reduce cratering, which is when icing in small areas looks like it's caving in on itself. Sometimes cratering is so bad the icing will actually crack. Using thicker icing will help a ton in reducing this. It's also important to put your cookie in front of a fan on the lowest setting as soon as possible. The quicker you can get the icing to crust over, the better chance you'll have of your icing staying puffy. When dealing with numbers and letters, I'll leave the cookies in front of my fan for quite a while, normally a few hours at least. I always want to ensure the icing is drying as thoroughly as possible, as quickly as possible. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section and I'll be sure and get back with you. And if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you like this video, give it a like. It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.